Immacule Lab is a leading private label cosmetic manufacturer based in Houston, Texas. With over a decade of experience in the industry, specializing in high-quality cosmetics and skincare products, Immacule Lab offers a wide range of services, from product development and packaging design to manufacturing and distribution, all under one roof. Using the latest technology and highest quality ingredients to create customized formulations that meet their clients' specific needs and requirements, Immacule Lab is committed to providing exceptional customer service and ensuring that their clients receive top-notch products that exceed their expectations. With their extensive expertise and state-of-the-art facility, Immacule Lab is a trusted partner for businesses looking to create and launch their own cosmetic or skincare line. Let's set time to discuss your beauty needs. We are available at your convenience.